Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a walk around on a 1980 El Camino. This one here has a 305 up under the hood. It does have AC, power steering, disc brakes in the front. This is a really good running and driving car. Check out the test drive video. It was nice and smooth and everything worked out pretty good. So you want to know everything about the car, watch both videos. Check the 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. You can also get financed and shipping information on our website. It's a good idea to check out all the information we provide. You can also hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day, all of classic American muscle cars. We're getting ready to get started here. I'm gonna start up front. We're gonna hit all the lower portions of the car all the way around, the midsection and the top section. That way we cover it all thoroughly. Front bumper on this is in good shape. Looks pretty nice. Pretty clean. Front grille, same thing. Headlight bezels, all that. Nice and shiny. Looking down the side of the car, not too bad. Hitting the lower portions here. Some light scratching going on down at the bottom. Little scuff there at the bottom. Coming on down some more. Doesn't look too bad at all. Little scuffs around that fender there. You got some touch-up marks right here. Coming on down. Exhaust kicked out the side. And striping all the way around the car. Looks fairly new. Coming down the midsection now. You've got some light little scuffs. Some touch-up marks. Center of that door looks like it's been repainted at one point. It's kind of hard to tell. You can see some little blotchiness. Coming up the top of the fender, light scuffs, touch-up marks. Coming up the pillar, good shape. Some of the trim's got some little scuffs on them. They're not perfect, but they look pretty good. Windshield's nice and clean. Checking out the roof, smooth, don't see any dents. All your weather stripping's in good shape. Light scratch here, and the trim's faded around the back. Coming around the rear of the car, little chip here. Back bumper's in good shape. Tow hitch back here. The bed's been redone. It is very clean. Coming around this side, we're gonna hit the lower portion, do the same thing we did on the driver's side, and then jump on the inside. Exhaust kicked out the side on both sides of the car. A little chip here around the fender well. Light scuffs. Checking the bottom of the door. Not in bad shape. Little scuffs there in the black. Coming up over the fender. Some little nicks. Looks like through the middle here, a little bit of overspray. Checking the middle of the door. Doesn't look bad at all. Door handle does have some pitting popping up on it. A few scratch marks in the back here. Coming through the top portion. Trim's a bit faded. There's a ding there. Back pillar looks good. Roof looking good. Not in bad shape at all. We've made it all the way around the car. Let's go ahead and jump on the interior. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? And just give you an idea what this smells like. It smells like crayons. It's a good smell. It's not bad. It smells nice and clean. Seats are in good shape. Looking at the door panel, looks pretty clean. Checking the outside layer. Weather stripping's nice. Underside of the door looks pretty good. Jam's nice. Carpet a little bit older, but it's still in good shape. Got my bag over there with all my gear. Headliner is in great shape on this one. Now let's go ahead and check out these gauges and stuff. You got to give it a little gas when you first start it up. I think it floods out once you cut it off. Oil pressure's up, engine temp's up, gas gauge is working. The clock works, but you got to mess with it. Not that that matters. Showing 637 miles. Every time it goes to 100,000, it turns over to 0. Looks like the tilt's working, the wipers work, even the squirters work on the wipers. AC does work. It does blow out the dash, not the vents. Radio works. Pretty good sounding exhaust. Motor's quiet. The insulation's still up under the hood. Let's see how it shuts down. So I'm just barely pulling down on it, it just falls. Press firmly, it shuts and locks. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots, but I want you to go to maplemotors.com and check out the detailed photos. That right there will give you the best undercarriage shots, because he gets up under there and takes multiple photos of problem areas or anything that you may need to know about. If it's under there, he's going to take that picture. But right now we're going to go ahead and look up under it. You can watch the test drive videos and see lit undercarriage shots, and we try to cover everything here, guys. I want to thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. We're getting ready to jump back in the car and take off down the road for the test drive. maplemotors.com has financing, shipping, 100 detailed pictures. Our location, we are located about 15 minutes north of Nashville, Tennessee. If you look down in the description, it also has more information upon what I'm using and our address. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.